Today, we're diving into the world of flavor with a kitchen essential that can elevate any dish: homemade garlic butter spread. It's simple, it's versatile, and it's packed with deliciousness. Let's jump right in with the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened. A generous handful of fresh garlic cloves, finely minced. A pinch of salt. Chopped parsley for a burst of color and freshness. Now, let's bring it all together. In a mixing bowl, add your softened butter. Make sure it's at room temperature for that perfect, creamy consistency. Next, toss in that minced garlic. The aroma is already starting to fill the air, and we're not even done yet. A pinch of salt goes in to enhance the flavors. Remember, you can always adjust according to your taste preferences. Time to mix it all up. Use a spatula or a spoon to combine the ingredients thoroughly. You want that garlic goodness to be evenly distributed throughout the butter. For that extra touch, throw in some chopped parsley. It not only adds a pop of color but also a hint of freshness that balances out the richness of the butter. And there you have it, your homemade garlic butter spread. Look at that creamy texture, and the aroma is absolutely irresistible. Now, the best part: testing it out. Spread it on a slice of warm bread, use it as a base for your favorite pasta, or melt it over grilled veggies. The possibilities are endless.